Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi. Stay safe, learn Word under 2 minutes. Today we are going to look at the hidden text in Microsoft Excel and how useful it can be. Most of the time, we would like to print out or hide particular columns or rows when we are printing. You can use the hidden text to do that. To do that, we go to the Home tab. First, we select the column or the range we want to hide. So assuming you want to hide those who have gone for advanced loans, you can select the whole column. Go to the Home tab, go to where we have the font, then we launch it. When you launch it, where we have the font, you can see we have heading here. When you check the heading and click on OK, you see that particular or the whole column is hidden. In such a situation, you will see that you can't do anything there, you cannot type, you cannot do anything in that particular column. But the moment you start typing, it pops up and the paragraph group is activated. You can take this off by just going to the Home tab, going to the paragraph and clicking the paragraph group off. So then we can just go on undo, that's Ctrl Z, and come back to our normal state. Now we can now select the whole area. Assuming you want to print and you don't want to show the advanced loans, those who have gone for advanced loans. This data is really the data of a payroll and you don't want to show those or the loans people have really accessed. You can just select that particular column, go to the Home tab, go to where we have the font, launch the button. Where we have the font, you have the heading there. You can select the heading, click on OK. You see that the whole column is hidden. Then if you want to print, you can go to File, Print. You will see that in printing or the print preview, the hidden part or the advanced loans is hidden. So when you print, it won't show. So assume you want to print a document where you don't want to show a particular column or row or an item, you can use the hidden text in Microsoft Word to do that. Thank you very much for following us and continue to do so on this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.